Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today I'll show you how to make a delicious honey balsamic vinaigrette. First, you will need a half a cup of balsamic vinegar. Add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add a fourth cup of honey. Finally, add a 4th teaspoon of salt. Now, mix well to ensure all ingredients combine and the salt crystals dissolve. After mixing, pour the vinaigrette into a bottle, preferably one that can be shaken, as this does separate as it settles. As usual, thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Be sure to like this video. Go ahead and subscribe right now if you have not already, and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified the next time a video has been posted. I'll be back very soon. Bye.